Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 4.2 and today I'll show you how to clear browsing data. So to get started, you want to open up your browser and from here tap on the three dots and go into history. And here you'll have all the history of your device from browsing, and you can tap on the X to clear each one individually like so. And if you want to clear all of it, you can then tap on clear browsing data. And from here you have a couple options. So number one, you have the time period. You can tap here on the drop down and have either hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or all time. So just dependent on how far back you want to go. Now here it doesn't really matter what I choose, it's gonna always delete the single entry even if I stay with 1 hour. And then you have a couple other things like browsing history, so you probably want to keep that on, otherwise it will not remove anything basically apart from the cookies and cache, but that will be reloaded the moment you open up the website again. So cache, as you can see, there is cache images and files, and it shows you that has less than 1 megabyte at the moment, and that's because, well, I haven't really been on any website. But what this does is just loads up images from certain websites, so later on it can access that same website that much quicker without needing to load the same images over and over. And you can disable that, enable with however you like. But once you set up everything that you want here, tap on clear data, tap on clear, and previously we had the 2 Google web pages here that we had the X for closing, and now it's completely empty. So that is how you would clear browsing data, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.